Once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics. We're just here at the Peugeot dealership. We've come to look at this 5008. So this vehicle has a DPF issue and it's only done, what is it, 20,000 miles. Just going to come down here, plug in our diagnostic scanner. So we're just going to start it up. So at the minute the management light is going out there. It's just got some spanners on there due for service. So I think maybe they've already deleted some of the faults from the car, but we'll just do a scan and see what's on here. So this car is a 3008 P24A4 model there, whatever all that means, code C. Just going to run a scan now. There we are on live data there. Differential pressure sensor is on 120 millibar. If we accelerate it up, goes to over 1000 millibar. On idle, what are we sitting at there? About 108. These are the trouble codes that we've got at the minute. P06B8, U2, FFF, and then you got 04 and 00. So these are relating, I believe, to the additive tank. But the reason they've called me here is they said the DPF is fully blocked and they want me to clean it out. So we're just going to go in and have a look at that. So there is no faults on the dash currently at the minute. So I don't know what they've done, but they're telling me they've tried to do a regen, but their computer doesn't allow them to do it. So maybe see what happens if we try and do one ourselves. Okay, so we're gonna have to open the hood, bonnet, and put it in park, and the engine must be above 80 degrees. So we just turned off the stop start there. So we don't want it to try and do any stop start procedures while we're working on it. And we have now got the engine fault pop up there. So we'll go back from here for a minute and see if any different codes have popped up. Okay, yeah, there we have P24A4 97. It's a permanent fault for the particle filter, 151. Now we'll go back in here and just see what it says about doing a regeneration. So I was pressing the accelerator there, so we'll try that again. Uncompleted yet, so it's not allowing you to do it. So we're going to go outside and we'll put a flush through the DPF. So we're going to go in through the oxygen sensor here, just using a 22mm crow's foot spanner to open that. It's a little bit hot there, so we're just going to use a glove. Just get this open. Just trying to get that focused there for you. You can see the state of that. Don't rarely ever see one that dirty, to be honest, and this is on an almost brand new car. It's only a couple of years old. So we're just using some DPF cleaner. We'll put it into our dispenser bottle here. We'll get our inspection camera down there and have a look inside. Sorry, I'm trying to see if you can see the screen clearly. So we're just putting our fluid in there. Just about finished there. And we just poured a little bit over the sensor there to cleaned it up so we can actually see some of the holes there. Okay, we're going to start the car back up. Okay, we're just come back into the live data now. While the vehicle's running, we can see that the millibars there are lowering. It was idling at 115, so we're at 35 at the minute there. And we're going to give it full acceleration. And we're at 500 millibars so far, so we're at half. I will start lowering. Now we're just going to go back and see if the regeneration process will work in emissions control circuit. There you go. We're going to see if it will trigger off now that the pressure has dropped down under 500. Yep, there we go. That's working. So we didn't have to do any adaptations yet or anything like that. We've just flushed it, so it's come from 1000 millibar down to under 500, and now it is starting its own regeneration now. Sorry, there seems to be a lot of glare on this new machine I've got. My old Autel didn't seem to have so much glare, maybe because it was older and the screen was a little bit more dull. So this is not actually a 3008, it's a 588. Don't know why the computer said it was a 3008, but maybe they run on the same software. Okay, so the regeneration there is complete. Now we can go back to live data, exhaust line information. Okay, so we can see here, right, particle filter is now on 4 millibars. That was idling at 115 before. Full acceleration, it was on 1050, and let's see what it goes to now. We'll do full acceleration. It's actually accelerating a lot higher now. So we've got about 76, 41 there. Okay, so we're going to go back out of here and we'll see what trouble codes we've got now. So we're just left with this U2F which I believe is related to the additive tank. So we're going to leave that here with the Peugeot dealership to sort out. They just want us to sort out the DPF because obviously they couldn't regenerate it. So that's all we're here to do. And this other fault, it's one of these undefined codes really, but I think it does relate to the additive tank, which I'll let them sort out. That's it, we're all complete. See you in the next video.